You might be wondering why I have a Nintendo charger for Game Boy Advance. Nope, it is not for Game Boy Advance SP. Check this connector. It is not for Nintendo DS Lite. It is for something way special. This is the Game Boy Advance a charger adapter for AC wall socket. So you plug this into your Game Boy Advance instead of the battery. You connect it on the wall and you got all the energy you want from the AC wall power. Which one using any battery for this? So it is really ecological and safe to instead spend money on fucking batteries. And it's not the same voltage too, as you can see there. Focus. Shit. It is 3.3 volt. And DC mode. Putting shit away. Anyway. So it is only connected on this side. It is not connecting on the other side, since the other side is not real on the battery. So that must be all. Quite an impressive feat by Nintendo back in the days. And yes, there is only a converting chip and a fuse inside it to protect your Game Boy Advance against a power outage or surge, power surge, etc. So that must be it. See you all around.